On offer today at Maple Lane, we have a 2021 Portax K, seen here with the slate gray roof and front bow. We have the front ramp already opened. It's built on a galvanized steel chassis with anodized aluminum wall panels. We have a jumper decor on the side of this one. We have it set up with the 5-foot treaded ramp here, great for grip in rainy and snowy conditions. Each stall in this is 33 inches wide, which can accommodate horses to 18 hands. This left stall is set up right now for a taller horse, the position at the back on the farthest position and the highest at the chest bar. And on the right side stall, we've got it set up for more of a pony, lower chest bar setting and at the lowest, shortest stall entry position. You can easily walk your horses off this model through the front exit. By lowering the chest bar, the right horse can exit, and then by lowering the chest bar on the left, you move the panel to the side and they can exit out the front of the trailer. Access to storage is from the driver's side with 2 racks for either English or Western saddles. The Portax K.